Hello guys, so I am going to unbox this box containing my studio lightings and backdrop. So I guess I'm going to start it from here. Oh, okay. So they're all in here. So I have a change in location because I have to be on the floor to see what's inside the stuff. Okay. So let's open the bag. It says 𝐾𝐝 Okay, there. So we zip it open like so from the top. And then, ta-da! Here are the things. Okay, so they're boxed one by one. I can see the backdrop clothing here. We have the one for the green screen. It's a little light green. And then we have white backdrop right here. And then we have some more sleeves inside with the brand 𝐾𝐝. So once again, I got this from Amazon and it took bazillion of years before the order was processed and shipped to me. So like, for example, I ordered it now, it took about 2 weeks for them to finally ship it. So I really thought that I had to cancel it, but yeah, eventually they shipped it anyway and I had to pick it up. So yeah, there. Let's see what's inside this one. Okay, so that's like so. These are, okay, I think these are the reflectors for the lighting, if I'm not mistaken. I see a switch right here. And then, yeah. So this is supposed to be for the lighting. You put the bulb in there. And then there's some, yeah, I think this one you put on the top, if I'm not mistaken. So let me go ahead and open this one. It's on a Ziploc. So I'm not really familiar of the exact terms for these items, but from the looks of it, yeah, I think since they come together, perhaps. And I see that there's like a part here that you could, I forgot what this is called, Velcro. So I can just attach this one here to here, like so. And then let me see how it looks when it's like fully out. I don't know how it will be locked, like fully open, but it's supposed to be fully open like that because this is for the soft box. Like this. But I think I will show you a much better finished look later on. So there's 2 of these, and that's probably what's inside this one. So maybe I don't really have to like show them to you how to do it, but I will unpack this also. These are clips to hang the backdrops. So I'll just put it there for now, and then I shall continue with unboxing more items from here. Okay, so I see this brown thingy has this own pouch with a zip lock, or a zipper, I don't know what zip lock. Okay, reflector, and it goes like that. Ta-da! Okay, so I saw a lot of people complaining about this reflector because it's too wrinkled and it's affecting the reflection of light. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. A lot of them are complaining that they are not able to iron this. So let's see how's it gonna be. Okay, so I think that this is a reversible one, if I am not mistaken, because you could have either a silver reflector or a golden reflector. Let me test my theory. Yeah, so you could just go do like this, and then it will be the gold reflector. You can put this back inside, and then just zip it again. So it depends on how you need it on the photo shoots or on your videos. If you need a golden one or a silvery one. So that's it. Okay, so I got plenty of boxes right here. So these are probably the legs for the backdrop. You know, like where you hang it, the bars, the legs, and all that. So let me start with this small ones here. It's the bulb. These are the bulbs for the soft box. Trying to show you how it looks. Okay, so this is the bulb one here. It's the same brand, 𝐾𝐽𝑚𝐴 230 volts or 135 watts. That's what it says here. It's quite big. So I'm just gonna put back here for now, and let's just check if the other one was not damaged at all. So here it is. It's the reflector, yeah, the light for the reflector, same thing. 230 volts, 135 watts. The last 4 boxes that I see in here. I see 2 brown boxes. So let's see what's inside. So this is probably the stand for the soft boxes. Yeah, I am correct. These are the stand for the soft boxes that okay, yeah. So the stand for the soft boxes goes like this, and then there's some adjustments on the side right here, some knobs. And if you loosen it, then you could like extend it so that we could have it. Yeah, so as I was saying, yeah, you just need to adjust these knobs, and then you can make this longer, like so. Yeah. So there. You could make it as long as you need to, so it's adjustable. And it's gonna be so long. Like this. So you could extend it from the middle. Let me show you again. So you could extend it from the middle, and this is the longest it could be. And then if you need it more, then it extends on this part also, and it could be that long. So that's that, and I'm quite sure that the other one is also for the other soft box. So this should be the parts for the backdrop. Okay, so we have 2 more boxes left here. And there's actually one that's being wrapped on a plastic like. So here, so this looks like bars that we have to connect to each other. So that should be the ones for maybe like the bar where you really hang it. And these are the legs. Let me just check if my theory is also correct. Let's see here. So that's saying so the 2 legs are about about the same as the other one and see which one is for which. Okay, I can see it at the bottom of the softbox. So which one should it be? Okay, so this has to go like, let me just adjust here. And then that opens like so. You can easily adjust it if you need it like this or like this. Let's try this one then. Okay. Is it this one? Then I will lock that here because you could lock that here. Okay, that moves. That's weird. Okay. Or have to make it tighter so it doesn't move. Okay. So that works. And lastly on this box are these rods. Or the bars where we will be hanging the backdrops. So it looks like this, and then we are going to connect the 3 of them, or depending on what I need. Maybe I just need 2 of them, but yeah, it's also depending on the size of the backdrop. I forgot what size I got, but I will put it on the screen and also on the description bar, the exact items that I bought, the sizes and everything. All the information about these orders. I'm not sure. I don't think that the exact same link of the listing and where I bought it on Amazon is still there because I think that the seller removed it. Alright, so now I have already placed the 2 legs. That's what I call it. So yeah, and I'm going to need to put this one. I prefer to put the white. Just temporarily, I will just iron it next time, but it's a nice clothing. It's not really satin, but it looks like a little bit like it, but it's not really. So how I'm going to do it is that I see that there is an opening here. So that means I have to insert the rod inside it. So just grab one end here like so, and then just insert it like that. Oh, that's good. So I just found out that the rod for hanging the backdrop is not adjustable. So maybe I have to manually cut it with a tool for it, or just leave it this way. And this is the soft box, as you see here. So it could be moving. So that's already assembled. And then I am going to show you how to do it because I was not able to explain it completely earlier. Alright, so I found out how you will be able to make this sturdy or like fully opened by pushing this round part right here. So if you push that to the bottom, then it will be secured there like so. I am going to put it on this one about the same way that I did it earlier. So let me just do it a little higher, like so. And then, by the way, these are the legs. It opens like that. So earlier it looks like this. So that's how it is. And then when you adjust that part, and then when you push this part down, that's when it's going to open up. So at the moment, it is a little too tight since it's new. And then, yeah. So just open the bottom a little bit and then push it. which is still a little too tight. Yeah, but that's what I mean. So you could either do it like that, well, depending on how you need it. If you need it like fully open, then of course you should do it like so. Like that. Okay, and then lock it by adjusting this knob and until it's tight enough. Right there. Okay. So now we can attach this part right here to this part right here. Just like so. Just insert that round part, and there's an opening there. And then this screw or the knob, we just turn it and tighten it until it's tight enough. And it's like that. This one swings. And then before we cover it, of course, we have to, let me just adjust this, it's way too high. Okay, so you could adjust it with the knob on the legs also. Like that. Then grabbing the light from earlier, this bulb. And now we could insert that carefully in there, just twisting it. And now we put the cover. And now let's try if these are working. So grabbing the switch, that's like way over there. So there. And then, yep, that works. And then the other one we have already tried earlier, so yeah, that's how they look. So there you have it, everybody. I have both of my soft boxes already, one on the left, right side, and then one on the right side now. And I will try to do filming with this, see if I would like it, if it's perfect enough for this winter time or soon to be winter, wherein there's gonna be absolutely zero light. And hopefully that the quality of my videos will be better from now on. So this is just a sample of how it looks like with the two soft boxes. There's no ring light in the middle yet, but I already found my ring light. So hopefully we will be able to see a full setup. But yeah, this is how it looks with the backdrop, and you are not seeing the legs, so that's good. And yeah, let's see how it's going to be on the next video. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and setup of this backdrop and soft boxes with a reflector. And yeah, I will see you on my next videos. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, or 3 times a week. Love you all, and remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.